So a beautiful fish like freshly harvested local Stradbroke Tailor deserves to be treated simply. This is about as simple as you get. Plain flour, pink sea salt, some lemon pepper. Really, really easy. Straight into a plastic bag. Give it all a good shake to get all those flavours through. Some nice mix. Straight in with our Tailor fillets. I'll just do a couple of little ones. Seal your bag up. Give it a nice shake. Then I cook it in a pan in the kitchen with a little bit of fresh rosemary in the pan with a bit of olive oil. Then I'll finish it with some other secret bits and pieces. That's it. So to finish our sauce, just some butter straight in the hot pan, juice of half a lemon, some of my favourite things with fish, capers. A couple in the pan. You can never have too many capers though, that salty, briny, beautiful taste to your sauce. Now we'll just serve it on a plate. Keep all your rosemary, that adds a bit of extra flavour and garnish and whatever else you need. All your beautiful sauces and the little bit of burnt bits and the fish stock straight on top of your fish. Bit of lemon for garnish. There you go. Well, you're never far away from a feed, are you?
Speechless.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
It is absolutely beautiful.
And simple, like a recipe that took 2.5 minutes to put together and cook, and out of ingredients we got in the cupboard.
Fish doesn't come fresher than that.
No, it doesn't.
Just thinking about your idyllic lifestyle over here. You've been over here for a couple of weeks now. Cast a line in the morning, prepare a bit of that in the afternoon, cold beer.
Go for a walk, go for a wander, go for a drive. What could be better?
Nothing could be better than that.
No, she's good.